OSA, or Outdoor Structures Australia, is a division of Wilson Timbers supplying high-quality, durable, sustainable Australian hardwood products to councils and the construction industry Australia-wide. One project that I'd like to make mention of is the newly completed Ulara viewing platform and walkway overlooking Uluru in Central Australia, NT. The project client was Voyages Indigenous Tourism Australia, and it was designed and constructed by Ramis and Fred Bill. This was designed to show an artistic display using drones, light and sound to create an immersive experience telling stories of the oldest continuous culture on Earth. The processes involved in making a project of this magnitude in a remote location work out logistically within time-crucial expectations takes months of planning. Designed for longevity, procurement of materials, and logistics and delivery are but a few to consider. Stuart Medill was largely involved in making this project run smoothly with the assistance of Ted Stubberfield. Ted is an expert in the timber industry and has authored multiple design guides for timber structures, as well as being regularly called upon to consult for various timber organisations all around the world. Narrow-leaf red ironbark was determined to be the most suitable, fit-for-purpose species to use for this application for joists and bearers, and a mixed supply of spotted gum and ironbark for the deckwood decking. Deckwood is specific to OSA as a superior deck profile for boardwalks, bridges and platforms in national parks all over Australia. All 6 sides of the deckwood were supplied pre-oiled with Tanacoat for extra protection from the elements during the installation process. To keep all of this on schedule for its official opening ceremony was quite a task for Stuart, who was in constant communication with the builder and hardwood supplier while making sure transportation did their part to deliver the materials halfway across Australia. The first of 8 semi-loads, or about 160 cube of hardwood, left on the 18th of November 2022. Throw in Christmas holidays, a few natural weather events, and this very special project was completed and can be enjoyed by everyone for future decades to come.